me where you at. My pimps and my thugs that be getting cash. There might be little niggas that be on the ass.
I'm ready to get it started. You better tell them I'm the hardest. You hate on me, then you retarded. I'ma get mine regardless. I'm seeing the rap games needing me to come back to the mixtapes and relieve them. Fans geeking and rap sales peaking, saying they needed someone to believe in. I'm seeing that they ain't me and record full of beat for no apparent reason. I think it's hunting season, so I'm cocking back and squeezing. Look at the fans, talking about who spit better lines. I don't know what you're doing, but prepare for mine. I don't just spit a line better than Kevin Federline. You better tell him I'm really better than whoever rhyme. Hold up, let me get out this chair. Hear you talking about your hustles, ain't no profit there. Hear you talking about your deal, that ain't profit square. Y'all get little royalties, I get profit share. What up 50, what up Buck, what up Lupe, what up Game, what up Jeezy, what up Luda, what up T.I., what up Wayne. And just cause I say a name, it doesn't mean I'm insane. Cause I'm shouting out all the artists that make me step up my game. I say I'm better than 50, his fans is gon' complain. I say I'm better than Wayne, his fans will do the same. I don't wanna ruffle feathers, so maybe I should explain. Maybe it's M.O.E., me over everything. I'm better than you know who, so better that it's a shame. I'm better than Lil Mama, I'm better than Lil Zane. Better than Lil Blang, and better than your brain. I'm better than every rapper that rap with a little name. You should be pissed that I'm pissed. I know some of my past records was a hit or a miss. Don't try to twist up my ish and twist it into a diss. If you gon' twist up what I said, then you should twist it to this. Okay, let's hear it. Lauren London can get kissed on the lips, and Bill O'Reilly and Don Imus can get hit with a fist. Hakeem, I'm the dream, stop missing the switch. And MTV, my name is what you missed on the list. Wait, let me rewind. I really don't want them to think I'm trying to diss, and I just really want them to know I'm not the type to take Lauren to London. Matter of fact, Lauren be lucky if I take her to lunch, man. It's the king of the hill, from the land of the trail. What up, police? Can't you see I'm moving in for the kill? Either I could drop one song a year like Skills, or we could get off in these streets. It's time to pay these bills. Gas prices getting high, and I'm knowing I got a fleet. I'm skinny than the mother, and knowing I gotta eat. So any rapper out there that's knowing he gotta beat, better never ever allow the instrumental to leak. Studio every day, and I'm letting them loose. Black and Decker in the trunk, it ain't nothing but tools. Wanna run a money marathon, it ain't nothing to prove. My closet looking like a stadium, it's nothing but shoes. J Mills ain't forgot about the cover you gave me. Appreciate it, G, I'm still one of the crazy rebels out of the Texas, and I'm running them daily. Now I'm back off in the streets like F you pay me. With Jack and the Texas swagger, famous hand me the dagger. Nah, never mind, cause these fakers don't even matter. Mixtape Messiah for August 27th, and it's just a throwaway. I got a drop full of them, let's go. Yeah, they offended by words, but you can tell it's fear. They say ball till you fall, the fall is never near. They all saying that they ball, who you telling dear? I manage a whole lot of money like I'm Kenneth Creel. Manage a whole lot of money like I'm Shaka Zulu. You think that I ain't good at rhyming? You out your noodle. Safe sex, man.